So nutraceuticals are also written for during the IVF cycle. So why they are written? So many nutraceuticals, they help to make good eggs, some help to make the endometrial lining also, because there are many products which are written, which are natural products, but they help to give good success rate in patients who are having less egg reserve, or they are having normal egg reserve also, but we need to make good eggs. So we give them as a boost, just to reduce the reactive oxidative stress factor. And some nutraceutical products, they are good in making the endometrial lining also. Many patients, they don't want to go on hormonal treatment. So these patients, the lining is developed on nutraceutical products also, if they are not having any gross gynecological or medical problems. So nutraceuticals are the in thing, like they boost your immunity, so they boost your fertility also, whether be it a IVF cycle or be it without a IVF cycle. For taking nutraceutical products, you should definitely contact your doctor, who will guide you safely through all this process. We care about you.